First off, heat your oven to a cozy 375 degrees Fahrenheit. That's around 190 degrees Celsius for our friends using the metric system. While your oven preheats, use this time to peel and thinly slice 6 large potatoes. For a consistent bake, aim for even thickness. Now, in a large mixing bowl, introduce the sliced potatoes to a packet of dry onion soup mix and 2 cups of cream. Whether you choose heavy or light cream is entirely up to you. The goal is to ensure every potato slice is evenly coated with the cream and onion mix. Once they're all acquainted and evenly coated, transfer this creamy concoction into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Spread out the slices evenly, ensuring they all have their own comfortable spot. Next, cover this dreamy ensemble with aluminum foil and let it bake in the preheated oven. Around 45 minutes should do the trick. After those 45 minutes, remove the foil and let it continue to bake for an additional 15 to 20 minutes. You're looking for that golden brown finish on top and tender potatoes that sigh under the gentle prod of a fork. Once you've achieved that, allow the casserole to cool slightly before serving. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.